How can we make scheduling meetings more personable? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new invitee in Calendly. Then we'll be using our AI Wizard by Workload in order to craft an email to send in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Calendly to Wizard to Gmail. And we'll pick our trigger, which is going to be in Calendly. And the event is going to be invitee created. We'll make sure we're connected to our Calendly account. If you have any trouble connecting to Calendly, please check out the blog in the description. And then we'll test the trigger. And we have a response. So we found an invitee who has been created. So we'll click continue. I'm going to use the AI Wizard by Workload to help me craft an email to make the confirmation of their interview time a little bit more personable. So prompt your data. The input data that comes from the trigger can include the name of the person, and we'll include the start date of the interview, which is the start time down here. I'm going to paste in a prompt. Write an email expressing my eagerness to speak with this person and to hear how they think they will benefit our team, excluding the greeting and salutation. So previously when I've tried writing emails with AI, it'll say like, hello, and then it won't put the person's name. It'll say insert name. And we don't want that to happen in our automated emails here. I also want to confirm the meeting time and put that date into a format that's easier to understand. So we'll click continue and we'll test this action. I'm excited to connect with you and discuss how your skills and expertise can contribute to our team. Your experience and perspective will be invaluable as we work towards our goals. Let's confirm our meeting time for, and it gives the meeting time. Looks great. So then we'll add the last step, and this will be in Gmail. And we will send an email. Make sure we're connected to Gmail. Again, check out the blog in the description if you need help logging in. 2 is going to come from that original trigger, and that is the email of the person. If you want to send a carbon copy to yourself, that might be a good idea. The from address, I'll use my own address here. And I'm going to copy that and make that the reply to as well. From me. The subject, I will say meeting. And the body will come from that step 2. And that will be this email. I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to test the action. And that email was sent. So I'll click continue here. I can check and see there's a green dot in each of my nodes. And now I can activate my workflow. And every time there's a new invitee created in Calendly, AI will create an email and then send it through Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically sends an email to Calendly invitees. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or ideas for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. I'll see you next time.